Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we are going to be unboxing the crucial basics DDR4 2666 MHz UDIMM or memory stick. This is rated for 4 gigabytes of capacity, as you can see mentioned clearly over here. And on the front side, you just have a bit of crucial branding along with the key metrics. And on the back side, you get to see what the memory module looks like. You've got the importer's contact information over here and the crucial sticker with, again, the same details that we saw on the front side being stated over here. Now, opening this is quite easy. Now, you should always take care not to touch the contact points at the bottom. Those are very sensitive to electrostatic shock and you might end up spoiling your memory module. So we are always holding it by the sides. Now we can see that this thing or this module only has memory chips on one side. There's nothing on the back side, so it's completely empty. And it also doesn't have any heat spreader. So these memory sticks are meant for form factors in which you don't have space for a very thick heat spreader. And aside from that, there's not much to talk about. There's no RGB elements. You should not tamper with the sticker because warranty will be void if you do so. And as for warranty, always check the store page for the Amazon listing to get exact details of what all is covered and for how long. So that's it for this little simple unboxing of the crucial DDR4 2666 MHz UDIMM memory stick for 4 gigabytes. Thank you for watching.